taste it and see. Allah. Super good. This is our lovely Afi. Afi, what are we cooking today?
We're cooking Abobitadi.
Abobitadi.
Yes.
With a wok play?
Yes.
Okay. What are our ingredients for today?
Yeah. We needed tomatoes, the tin tomatoes, and then some green pepper and then onion.
Right.
And then this is the main fish.
Fish. That's Abobitadi. So this is anchovies. Right. So you said that you fried it without oil.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Dry like that. And then we use some herrings.
Dry herrings, good.
Yes, and then some dry
shrimps. Okay.
Yes. With they use red oil, but me I want to use oil.
Oh, okay.
It depends.
All right.
On who,
it depends on.
yes.
So you can either use
the
red oil or
Right.
vegetable oil.
Exactly.
All right.
So we are using a vegetable oil.
And you have other fishes there too, right?
Yes, I have some fried fish and then some salmon.
Allah. You don't know what time it is. It's about to go down. Let's talk more cooking. So first of all, we are going to blend the vegetables, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now what she's doing is prepping the vegetables to blend. Okay.
Make I give you a check.
No, I'll be good. I'll be good.
Yes. You can close it. I'm coming.
So now we're adding vegetable oil. In goes our onions.
Yes.
So what is this?
Ginger, garlic, and other spices.
Oh, see, so that's a special mixture.
Yep.
Ginger, garlic, and some secret spices.
My tomato. Tin tomato.
Your tomato paste.
Yep.
Yeah, tomato paste going in. It's already starting to smell good. A lot. So what she's currently doing now is grinding the shrimp. You're gonna add it to the stew, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what Auntie Afi said is, if you don't have the earthenware, you can use your blender.
Blended tomatoes.
Your blended tomatoes, okay. So this is just tomatoes only.
And onion.
Tomatoes and onions, okay. You added some pepper too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, small pepper. So at this stage, you just have to be careful because it begins to pop and you don't want to get burned.
And start soaking.
So these herrings are dry, right? And so they are a little bit hard. So you're soaking them to soften them up. Oh, okay.
We'll put in the stew.
Okay. So Auntie Afi added in some small water. Here comes our dried anchovies.
Yeah.
or abobi. This is the what you call the Abobitadi, right?
Yes.
Or Kita schoolboys. Oh, okay. So you first washing them, right?
Yes.
So I do have a similar, but also very different recipe on my channel. I think that I'll leave a description under this video, so people can check it out too. Ask them what do my room.
Ah, you're lucky. Yeah, it's on the floor.
Oh, you see him?
Yes. This one there is optional. Sometimes we know. It can be eaten. So we put small sauce so you can take that itching.
Well, if anybody who watches this video knows whatever this itching thing is, it's all about. So she added in salt, and she's saying that it does something to the fish that I don't really know. So just let me know in the comment section. It's looking great. So here comes the ground herrings. I mean shrimps.
Shrimps.
We're gonna throw in some salt. And then she's adding in some stock cubes. So at this moment, Abobitadi, right?
Yeah.
Is done. I'm gonna taste it and see. Woo! Allah. Super good. So these vegetables here are for garnishing, right? Where that's some peppers and onions.
Yeah.